Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So like you can probably already tell by the title of the video, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a few clothing and shoes that I got from Nykaa. They are a bit high priced, to be very honest with you. They are not extremely affordable, but I only spend this much money on winter wear and shoes really. I really enjoyed wearing all of these, and they are all basically staple pieces that you can keep wearing again and again, and you can style with a lot of different things. So the price is gonna be worth it once you see. Everything is under 4,000 rupees. If there is anything that's above, I'll mention that. The price range will be mentioned somewhere around here. So if you guys are interested, let's get into the video. But again, before we do that, I have to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video. And if you guys enjoy my videos in general, please subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot. And I'll mention my socials link around, let's just say, in the description box below. All of my social media, my Instagram, my fashion Instagram, my makeup Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams, by the way. And my Pinterest and everything, so y'all can check those out as well if you wish. So yeah, let's get into the video now.
We're gonna start off with these pair of boots from a Truffle collection. I wanted to get myself a platform heeled boot for so long. I love ankle length boots, even though they do not flatter my body type so much. They kind of make me look shorter. But to be honest, I never really wear these boots with skirts or shorter stuff. I always wear them with like maxi dresses or pants. But this boot is just about amazing. They are so beautiful. They are like one of the best pair of boots I have ever owned. They are a bit on the pricier side, but I cannot imagine that I could get something so good at a price cheaper than what I got it at. I am a UK 4, but UK 4 was not available, so I had to get a UK 5 because I really wanted to get my hands on this one. Even UK 5 fits me really good. It's really nice. So if you get it on your right size, it will just fit you so amazingly, and it will be much more comfortable if you get it on your right size. The quality is just about amazing. It looks so luxurious, not cheap at all. The chain is just great. The heel is amazing. Everything is just so worth the price. Next up is this leather trench coat. This one is from Missguided. Again, another very good quality jacket. I got this one at 4,576 rupees. I'm sorry for not being able to attach screenshots with this video. This is an open cardigan-like trench coat. I really wish it had buttons, but it does not. I guess Missguided cannot provide you with a proper trench coat at the price. You'll have to pay higher for a button, but other than that, the quality of the leather is just about amazing. It's not the cheap leather that you get on a Rabbanic. It also has 2 pockets, which is really good. It also comes with a belt, so you can tie it up. And that kind of really does the buttons job, so it gets closed, like covered up if you tie the belt up. Fits me amazingly, looks super luxurious, and is quite thick as well, so it will protect you from cold. For the price, I agree with it. Next up are these pair of heels from a Truffle collection again. These are square-toed and the heels are rectangular as well. I've been loving heels like these recently. It has kind of a strap that goes in between the toes, making the strap look a bit like a thong strap, which I really don't agree with in heels, but it does not look bad. It does not take away from how classy the heels look, but I do have some problems with it. I got these pair of heels in size 4, which is my right size, so the heels do fit me perfectly, but like you can see, the strap from the back keeps opening. It does not stay on place. Also, there's not a hole, so I could like make it tighter, the belt of the strap, so I'll have to get a hole made at the very end of the belt so it can fit me right. Other than that, there are no problems with the pair of shoe. It looks amazing, super classy, very luxurious. The quality is really good as well. The quality of the straps, the quality of the heel, the quality of the belt buckle, everything is super good. Also, it fits me right. Even for the length of the heel, it's not super uncomfortable. I'm not gonna say you can walk for hours in the heel, but you can stand for hours in it for sure. Next up is this lilac corset from Missguided. I'm gonna talk about this one because I have some tea. This corset is super beautiful when you look at it from afar. It's made up of satin, the color is just gorgeous. But it's really not a corset because it has no boning, no structure to it. It's just a clothing material that has some stitching at the front which might make you think it looks like a corset from afar, but it's really not a corset. It has a chain at the back, so that's one good thing. The sleeves are tie-up sleeves, which is super cute. Talking about the quality of the clothing, it is really not good for the price and for something that is from Missguided. I was expecting it to be of much better quality. I have had corsets from Urbanic that are like 10 times better than this. The stitching is pathetic. There are threads coming out left and right. It looks very, very poorly made and the quality makes it look very cheap as well. Not something I would recommend you to buy. But before we go ahead with the video, I would like to talk to you guys about this bag that I received from Zouk. Zouk is a homegrown Indian brand. Zouk crafts 100% vegan bags. They are cruelty free and their products are a mixture of contemporary and traditional. They define modern Indian classic. They are PETA approved and their prints are inspired by rich reservoirs of Indian culture. I already own 2 bags from them, a sling bag and a purse. The sling bag I kept for myself while the purse I gifted to my father. This time I got myself this amazing tote bag. It's a huge bag and there are so many ways you can use it. You can take it to your office, or if you're a student, you could take it to your school or college. It's kind of a tote bag with a stylish wave pattern. It has sturdy and durable accessories with a zip closure and double strap. The straps are not adjustable, however. The bag contains a single compartment. This has an inner padded laptop compartment that can fit up to 15.6-inch laptop, and it's made up of vegan leather. The compartment also has an inbuilt phone, keychain and pen slot. The inner lining is also water resistant, which is just amazing if you're a student or an office going person. It's very easy to carry and it's not super heavy at all. For the price, it's amazing. Now let's get back to the video. Next up are these pair of black combat boots from Truffle collection again. I swear this is the last shoe I got from Truffle collection, but this is so worth it. I have been looking for a platform combat boot that had the platform like this. It's kind of a Louis Vuitton dupe, so I really wanted to have this one, and the quality is top notch. The quality of the platform, the quality of the thread, the quality of the leather, everything is so good. It's so worth the price. I got it in size UK 4 as well and it fits me perfectly. It's very comfortable. You can walk for hours in this one without feeling tired. Shockingly and surprisingly, the platform is not heavy either, so that's not something that's gonna cause you any kind of uncomfort either. Everything from Truffle collection goes out of stock super soon, so you might wanna just shop as soon as they come back. I'll be linking everything below. Next up are these super cute blue sweatshorts from Nyka Fashion, 20 dresses, and I have been loving this blue color so much. So as soon as I saw these, I knew I had to get them and I just ran and got them. These are not something you might want to wear during the winter if you live in a very cold place, but summer is almost here. So if you're looking for a sweatshirt in this color, this is just the right thing. It looks super luxurious, not cheap at all. The clothing material is so soft. It's made up of cotton, the thick sweatshirt cotton material, and it's so comfortable, so breathable, not itchy at all. The strap, the tie, everything looks super luxurious, so worth the price. Next up are these super cute yellow heels from RSVP by Nykaa. Aren't these just super cute? I have been loving this yellow color recently. It's super summery and I got it back during the summer season, but it's still available and still super cute and super on trend. And summer is almost here, so if you are looking for a yellow heel super appropriate for summer, this is it. The heel is a silver stiletto heel. Even though it's like so thin, it's not super uncomfortable. This is again a square-toed heel. The straps have elastic in them and fit you just right, so you don't have to worry about a belt falling out or opening. The quality of the leather is just amazing as well. It looks super luxurious, not cheap at all. Again, as a heel, it's not something you can walk for hours in, but you can totally stand in it for hours. I got it in a UK 4 and it fits me perfectly. For the price, it is really good.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. Do let me know if you're planning on buying any of the things I showed you, if you already have anything, and if you guys have any other video suggestion, any idea or anything like that, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll definitely do it. And I'll see you guys in my next. Till then, take care, bye bye.